your own Eddie. How come? I don't know. Women they bear Eddie.
Okay, Eddie na my name Sha. My father name Edwin. So in French they call him Eddie. Okay. Growing up, I like the name. Although nobody the name I use start. But
which name you take you start?
Oh, Ed Valen. Boy,
Ed Valen.
Ed Valen.
Where's me the Valen? Because that
Valen is my name. Not my name.
Valerie.
No, Valen. Valen. Valen.
You don't hear that name before?
It's only bush.
I never hear that name before. I just hear him for the first time. Valen.
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 Valen. What do you mean?
Strong and healthy.
Oh, okay. You actually look strong and healthy. You actually look strong and healthy.
Name added to the list.
So, waiting can make you change from Miss Valen to Miss Eddie?
It wasn't really sitting properly. No sit down way for my ear. Like I don't use and they come on, but when I they record, I won't try put that for my song. Okay. You know they enter and if I they tell people the name, it they complicated. They go ask me again. Like you asked me again. So I can't define that. I can't say okay, give my father name I like growing up. I they like when they call her Eddie Murphy, Eddie. So I go say okay, you know bad though. Since I like the name, I just add Miss for the front. Maybe just. They
to
so that Valley na English name.
Not English name. I don't forget the country. Be like Hebrew, not English.
So waiting be your traditional name.
Nenda.
Inenda.
Name. Yeah.
Almost sound like Linda.
Oh yeah.
Inenda.
Inenda.
From which state?
River State, Port Harcourt.
Because Port Harcourt don't produce plenty, stars. Give us some Malay day there, Burna Boy day there. But I think this song will be the first time where we say for me, a strong force from Port Harcourt, from that female gender, go actually come. How it be for you growing up in Port Harcourt?
Port Harcourt sweet though. You just date a very good state. Everybody just. First, mind your business, no find trouble.
Yeah,
if you find trouble, you go collect what you find. Port Harcourt, it's a cool environment. Okay. A lot of talented artists people are there. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so she's talking about other talents. You don't meet with any of these artists we don't blow Burna Boy or Malay. You don't meet any of them before.
Yes, I've met Visa Chan. I've met Dan Dizzy. I've met DJ Spinner.
Okay.
Okay. I've met Larry Gaga.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. So and Ajebo Hustlers too.
So when you meet with these people, which words of encouragement they give you? Just encourage you.
Yeah, they always tell me that to go far in this thing, I have to carry it on my head. Make I no go dey like say I don't blow, no go dey answer people for my comments. Make I just still dey humble, carry my shit for my head.
No S word, But if I Corey no tell you. All right, so waiting be this boy because I always see boy for your. I don't lyrics. Go to your page. I don't see boy. I say Miss Eddie. Okay, man name now boy. What's it be this boy thing where they for?
Okay, as artists then when they record songs, sometimes so I don't know about every other artist, but me and people I've met when they record song, it gets for backup, you get some kind of sound where they come to your head naturally and they will just sit alright with you. So that one really seated nice. So we can't bring out spelling for them to make them an actual word. It was not a word. It was just like a backup sound. So they sing song boy. Just to give it that steez and
okay. Yeah. I think so you just try to tell the other gender so you like men or you like boys so make them know things say
okay that one said
because I like boy. You get one artist where been called one time like that. I think it was Rebecca. I don't know if you know Rebecca for the girl. So at some point she talks say some girls they slide into her DM and they think say she be so she can't instead of that she can't change her name from whatever to Rebecca for the men them.
Okay.
So now when I say you two they try to let them know say I like men.
If then get them like that no
that's nice. That's nice. So when we come to Over now because the first thing will come to my head Over. Somebody break this girl heart. So which they tell say if I
it's over.
It's over. Don't come to me again. Or maybe you get one project where you they write where we say you can't finish the project. You can't say at last so it's over. Which over are we talking about?
The
now from emotional.
No, the emotional. The first one. But the over was not his door, no. The over and I say, okay, a day Muna can't hold me, oh, like over here, hold my head, like my head on Muna can't hold me. I'm over here, like over here. I beg help me.
The person will make your hand a Pitakwa boy too.
But in the stay for that side, but no be Pitakwa boy.
Now Yoruba boy.
Becca, calm down.
No, I need to know your bad demon. Your foot inside is
no be Yoruba boy.
Yes. Yeah. So waiting happen. Go. You won't give us this.
That story don't. I don't even forget what even happened. Because you don't think that was like 2010. The pain I no longer feel it. So sometimes I know they remember and like that.
So, but when you sing the song, you still know they remember.
That was that first time. No be Nana na cruise in the song.
So the royalty where they will come from this song. Now you they share and give the boy way hurt you.
When he hurts me, why?
But if
when he hurts me,
if you know what you go think of a song like this now.
Not true, Sha. Every situation births something good. So I thank him. Thank God to him.
Thank you, say you end on that day.
Thank God say he break my heart.
Coming to the lyrics of your songs. Now you didn't write your songs yourself, but you get person. Before now you didn't write songs for artists.
No.
You never write songs for artists before. Oh wow.
Although back in like 2021, 2022, I mean they write songs. They say, my friends around, my artists in PH.
Okay.
Yes, I remember now. Yes.
So when we come to that, your performance where you perform for Bole Festival, because say I may ask you earlier on, say when you want perform, you get any form of G3 fear will just first catch you. But your first performance, how it be? Where we say you be perform in front of crowd.
Okay, I just believed these people no go bite me. They no go beat me. If I cry here, and me shame go catch. Anything will happen here, and me go collect them. So I just have to embody it. I no get choice. No get any other thing I want to do. I just do them.
Yeah.
So the thing is, at first, this fear day until as I got there, I climbed there. The reception was very beautiful. Then I don't even want come down.
But you did lucky rather, because you get some people when we ask them, they say that they almost threw them pure water. So make them come off for stage.
No, I'm a child of grace.
No, yeah, exactly. Apart from being a child of your voice self, you don't go make them. They go turn that pure water to dollar and pounds.
Amen.
And start throwing you dollar, throwing you pounds. And so, how your parents accept the fact, say they do music? With the way we say Nigerian music, how our Nigerian parents go be say, hey, my daughter went inside Nigerian music industry. Very very soon all these men go they disturb them, because we don't hear song where you talk say producers before they go tell them, so off your lalubo. So how your parents take camp, say you want start so they do music like properly.
Okay, initially they no say I'd sabi sing well because I've been there choir. My mother she forced me make it, because initially I've been no one they follow them, they do choir, but my mother no agree. So when I tell her I want to become artist, she don't already see say normally I sabi, and for her I always do freestyle. Me and speaker I always play beats, they freestyle. So my parents they always no be something where I guys tell them, then they see and they just know say okay, this pikin won't do music. I can't even remember when I convinced. I just know growing up with them, I thought say I want do. My father said make I go school just in case this one no work. Make I use this one whole body, so I guys go school.
Which course you do?
AEB, Animal and Environmental Biology.
Animal about
No.
Animal and Environmental Biology.
Well, the big person will go Funabu to Nana something, but don't worry.
Yes. So okay. It gets when I started the record. So I record, go house, play for my father. I say, oh, you can't believe, say, okay, as I actually do this thing, no. Yeah. And I for never say, okay, you fit.
Continue.
Yeah, continue.
Okay, so your first outing, where we said you go that your first outing, you now overnight or not just day?
Not just day. Just doing the day.
The reason why I ask this question again, there's this artist, I don't want to call all these people name too much. One of the artists where they very, very good. She come our NYSC camp. So I can't at some point she can't say she wants to perform. She said, my mommy is calling me. I can't say this girl don't blow to an extent though. So I can't they shocked. I don't know if I should mention her name, but I don't know. I can't they shocked. Say, how your mama would they? I don't know, say you be star.
That is strange.
But she was like, my mom is calling me. I have to be at home. So now why they ask you, say, at some point your mama too, they tell you, say, Miss Eddie, where you dey?
Okay, no, my mother don't believe, say, get everything go happen. Na PH I dey, so I go work out where everything will just dey alright. Just go come house. No be say I go sleep overnight. If I go sleep overnight, I go tell her. She go know. Okay. So my parents, no be those kind of parents always say they go they hold you. They no say you go behave. As long as say you behave, but you no give them reason to they doubt okay.
Yeah.
So.
But since over don't come out, how do acceptance be for you? You dey shocked with the way people take accept you.
Jesus Christ, I'm overwhelmed. Like when they see number, I'm like, how? Like me, like actually me.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Because I hear say people with one side on for you. I hear say if they rush you, one question rush you. So now where these people don't fool your DM. Because now you go set the pace for them. And I did sure say people they listen now, we go still want sign you. Waiting be your requirements. Where the person we want sign you must get before you fit talk, say, okay, bring paper, may we sign this thing. Waiting be the requirement where they need to get before they fit sign you.
Okay, currently, I've not really thought about that again because
my sister, you suppose not they think calm now.
Actually, I just let them be genuine. That's just the thing. As long as you want my craft to be something that you can leverage on, because at the end of the day, you're looking for what to leverage on. Yeah. So for me to see, okay, you want to leverage off me, meaning you go still help me come outside, be bigger than this, for you to actually leverage something good off me. So I would just say, may then.
Or you go think about it, maybe see
yes.
Break. Yes, because people they listen now, so they won't know. So okay, if I want sign Miss Edina, I need to have this, I need to get this, I need to get this. Then the deal should you be 90-10, 70-30. You need to. You go give us the answer when we come back. So maybe go back to the music. Miss Eddie on top of this one over another title. We is coming. I don't say some calls on the coming. People won't start to they ask you some questions. But that last way I ask you, I don't know which response you get for our people.
Okay, me I go to say make them just contact my management, because me I see they learn the whole waka. I never even know what thing I actually need. They go actually help me. So my management then go really know what thing go they required of these people.
Okay, so okay, all right. I don't hear from the stallion mouth. The stallion mouth. She don't already let you know as that matter go actually be. So now when we say you write that song from the place of pain, when we say you don't overcome that particular, another person never come try to steal your heart away.
Me say actually, you know this music thing, Bert's good thing. Based on emotion, and since I never today this heartbroken, I don't they write the songs that they write since now. Jaye, live well. Actually need it.
Wait, you need a new heartbreak, or you need? So nobody done since that heartbreak. Nobody done say, "Yo, what's up?"
Yo, what's up? Me, I no go respond to you.
So which one you dey respond to? When man come into your DM. So
I don't wait. I know your guest strength and I then wait, but at the same time I need it for my craft.
Exactly.
Me, but more physical. That thing is not is heartbreak no easy.
You know say but boy don't talk, say last. Everybody go short break.
When he sing that side, they shall go for beat. Why? Go for beat. I don't. When it happened to me, I play that song on repeat.
You were served.
All right, the number don't be available for those who want calling. You want ask Miss Eddie questions, pertaining to this craft where this music where we say she they do. The number don't be available for you to call in 081 0013 0349 081 0013 0349. So apart from music, what else do they do?
Songwriting.
Okay.
I can act.
You can act.
Yes.
So indirect now, maybe they should make Nollywood. They look for the next person to sign. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes, so we did all right. So daddy, welcome to the show. Waiting be your name.
So that baby boy, I want to talk to her. Where is
she there? Yeah, she there listen. She there listen to you.
Are you from Delta? Or
Are you from Delta?
I'm from PH, Port Harcourt, River State.
Oh,
Good morning to you.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you? Oh.
Please, will you be able to come and sing it at our Papa?
Will she be able to come to her papa?
Yes, so that you can come and play for one of us, man.
You know, I want me to come sing for una man.
Yes.
Okay, she get management, so you go need to go into the DM. The manager now he go answer you with this particular question. No be she go fit answer you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I love her.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. All right, so for those wey don dey ask say when she go come perform for here and there, she dey open to collaboration, she dey open to performance, but just make sure say you go her DM, because if you dey ask her all these questions here, she no go fit answer you. Na manager, na he or she, na he or she dey in charge of every. So if you want classify your song, the genre of the kind of music wey you dey sing, how you want to classify am? So
Afro Swag.
Afro Swag. This one sounds so new.
I need to swagaliciously put my why
Afro Swag.
Afro Swag?
I believe my sound has this steez in it. Yes, I believe. So if I want to, it's Afro beats. At the same time, I incorporate other genres in it, but I would just call it Afro Swag because how it make you feel.
Afro Swag. So
like
before
that,
you start to
they
dey sing, I don't even remember to ask you. They do cover for songs for artists.
That was yes before.
So
yes.
which artists there where you do cover for where they repost?
Adekule Good.
Which of the song?
I 5 star lad. I 5 for myself. You know, yes. Yeah, that song.
I think I know that song.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now only Adekule code gold. Rather say code. Now only Adekule gold you been do cover.
No,
for.
he's the only one that reposted.
Why the other ones don't repost now? They don't see talent. Sure. Okay, so now we all know say the way we beside our Nigerian music be, you know, it be like say you women. I be women like you. I be women like you. And I know they really support themselves. So since you don't drop this over, any female artist don't repost you?
Yes.
Or show you support?
Yes.
Okay, who be
from
those?
PH?
The ones where they Lagos, they don't see you.
Okay, yes, there's this girl, her Instagram handle, Chris the Art. Chris the Art, she's an artist in Lagos here. Then back in PH, Melody, Mindy, yeah. Okay. So with the way we say Gen Z artists be, we all know who the Gen Z artists be. Fave, Ayira Star, Uni Miniskirt.
Ayira Star.
Na Ayira. She said na Ayira. Ayira. That's her name actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, Ayira Star, Fave. There's another girl called Treasure. I don't know if you don't come across Treasure before. Okay, but we'll put Treasure for one side first. So if they ask you to pick now between person where you want to collabo with, you go give us the name of the person and why. Okay. So let's say Ayira Star, Thames, Fave. You get another name where they might where I don't forget. Where be female. Candy Blix. Candy Blix. No be her style now. No be her style now. Okay, Candy Blix. Because I don't say no be your style, but make we just put her. I don't want to put Mommy Jam Down because Mommy Jam Down already did here. And I don't want to put I don't want to put Simi. I don't want to put Yemi Alade. I don't want to put those ones. So I want like your age, your generation, your age bracket now. So between Ayira Star, 50 attempts, Thames and Fave, which one of these three ladies you go love to do collaboration with and why?
Fave.
Why?
I love her style.
So you know, like Ayira Star.
No, I love Ayira Stars. Like you said, I should pick between these three. If
I
want the three.
To be the devil's advocate.
I want the three. But if I'm to pick amongst the three, Fave.
So
I feel like if I did studio with that girl, she go give me vibe. Like she be like, babe, we have vibe nice. Yeah, I love her songs. Yes, Fave.
Fave. Okay.
Yes.
All right, Fave. We hope so you don't hear us. So me said you don't talk. Say now you should go love. She don't leave miniskirt. Say now you should want pick. King Madi, yes, thank you.
I love King Madi.
I want to try to remember her name earlier on King Madi. Now she had that she said, my mom is calling me. Oh. Yeah, now for NYSC can she say, hello mommy, we are going to be done with the NYSC soon, mommy. Hello, I was like, eh?
Yeah.
I remember that King Money. That thing shocked me that day. I said, your mom still calls you. He said, I'm still a baby. I said, oh, well, yeah, baby, there's no problem. So you don't talk, so now you go pick, okay, there's no problem. So you don't talk, so you go also drop a new single for us by next month. Maybe keep our fingers crossed. So after this single, when you want to drop like a work of art, a body of art,
they try package that one. So as this one did now, my focus there on this one, then the next single, then when we get there, we'll create another plan for body of work.
So for somebody will grow for inside Port Harcourt, you dey follow the politics for our side.
You get as it be politics, you get as it be. My own, I say, may God just they provide for all of us, make we the seafood.
Because I want to ask you about father and son.
Father and son.
I want to put you on the spot.
Oh my goodness!
You don't know about your father and son for that news. You know they stick your mouth for politics.
No.
Anything politics, umba. Now music.
Okay.
All right, no problem. So before you go, I beg, you feel just freestyle for us. Make them feel your voice. Make they need to know say that voice where they hear. No be auto tone. I be how they talk am. Auto. Don't be help me. Auto tune. They need to know say no be auto tune. Say now original. Just do something freestyle for us.
Okay.
You need beats. Okay. Make I give you my headphones so that you will see the same beat.
Okay. There's beats.
There is beat. So, do you like this one?
It's coming. Roll me down.
Let's go.
I need to feel you down. Somebody say I feel. On my head now. Why don't you come back to me? On my head now.
Hey.
I'm lost in the beat.
All right, yes, you don't hear am so as it be. Yes, so Miss Eddie, in fact, this your talent. I don't lie, you show cool. Me like say na me go come for training. Oh my,
now.
oh my.
That one will sing throughout today now.
Oh my.
Now.
That's up. Naija FM 102.7. Oh my.
Now.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We really enjoyed this interview.
Me too, I did.
You. And we go to expect more Bedu may drop from your side, though, because we no get choice as they drop correct Bedu. We go the day here, they shop them as they go. So you get any last words for those where they look up to you, your fans, then they get name?
I'm still trying to structure that.
I've been that boy.
Yeah.
Boy clan. Boy.
So somebody said boy Republic.
Okay. We go see enter Republic with you, Sha. Okay, Boy Republic. Okay. So waiting be the last message maybe say you get for people who love you wholeheartedly. They shop your music, with their heart, and they follow you back to back on top of your social media of them.
I would want to say a big thank you to all of them, first of all, for wanting to listen to me in the first place. Then I promise to give them good songs for their soul.
Okay.
Yes, I promise to be active for them because this is no easy, but I am going to promise to be active for them. Yes.
Okay. All right. So your social media handle and the platforms where they can feel you stream plus download your music from.
On Instagram, it's Miss Eddie. ITSMISSEDDY on all platforms. Okay. TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Then they can stream on AudioMac, Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay.
Okay. All right. No challenge for this over, right?
Not yet.
Not yet. So, okay. So, but when do the challenge start? Let us know so that our people go fit challenge the challenger.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.